How to fix message unavailable on Instagram. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. To do that, launch your settings app. Now navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. For this network, you will first restart your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next thing you want to do is log out and log in back to your Instagram account. So, launch your Instagram app. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you're going to see the option logout. Click on it. Click on logout. Wait for a few minutes and again log in back using your credentials. Next, check for the updates for the app Instagram. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check Instagram server status. For that, launch any of the browser. Now head over to the website down detector. Now in the search box, type in Instagram and then search for it. Now check the server status of Instagram. If you found out any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next thing you want to do is disable VPN. In case you have enabled VPN, just disable it. Likewise, report the issue to Instagram. To do that, you can launch your Instagram app, navigate to the settings and activity page, scroll all the way down and head over to the option Help. Then navigate to the option Report Your Problem. Click on Report Problem Without Shaking. Click on Don't Include and Continue. And here briefly explain about the issue and then send it. With this solution, you'll be good to go. Your message will be available. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.